Are you struggling with sorting data in your Android Room database? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue where the order by clause just doesn't seem to work as expected. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your queries don't return the results you expect. Many developers have faced this issue, and it can really throw a wrench in your app's functionality. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Why does my order by clause not work when using parameters in Android Room?" They noticed that while hard-coding the column name works perfectly, using a parameter does not sort the results at all. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The issue arises because Android Room does not support dynamic column names in the order by clause. This can be a bit confusing, but understanding this limitation is key to finding a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that can help you achieve the sorting you need without running into this issue. To address the issue with the order by clause in Android Room, the user should first understand that Room does not support dynamic column names in the order by clause directly. Instead, they can use a workaround by creating separate methods for each sorting option. Next, the user can define multiple query methods in their DAO. For example, they can create one method for sorting by name and another for sorting by age. This way, each method will have a fixed column name in the query. Additionally, the user can implement a more flexible solution by using a parameter for sorting direction, such as ascending or descending, while keeping the column name fixed in each method. Finally, the user should test each method to ensure that the sorting works as expected. They can call these methods from their repository or view model and observe the results. Fun fact: did you know that the first database systems were developed in the 1960s? They were far less user-friendly than what we have today, but they laid the groundwork for modern databases. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that in Android Room, you can only sort data in ascending order based on the name of a column. They clarify that you cannot programmatically pass any value to the data access object methods for sorting. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. A user points out that the issue with the order by clause is due to how Room handles string parameters. When you pass a string like user ID, Room adds single quotation marks, treating it as a string literal instead of a column name. This means the query won't work as intended. To resolve this, the user suggests using SQLite's case statement. This allows you to dynamically set the order by column based on the input parameter without the issue of quotation marks. Here's a pro tip: always consider the limitations of the tools you're using. Understanding how Android Room handles queries can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. By creating specific methods for your sorting needs, you can avoid the pitfalls of dynamic order by clauses. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Android development.